this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your Google Play gift card on your Android phone. So you just need to locate the Play Store. So you can see I have this right here. And once you open this up, go to your profile in the top right. And when you click this, there's going to be an option now for payment and subscriptions. Then we have redeem code right here. So enter in your code, and you can go to scan here too if you don't want to enter it in, and it should have just automatically scanned the barcode or whatever the code you have, and then we can go back. Now once we enter in the code, it should fund our wallet balance, so we can go to like budget and history, and we can see how much money now we have on our Google Play account, or just our Google account. So you can see I have 0 right here, or that I've spent over the last few days. Only applies to this account. And then we can look at our payment methods too if we want to add a credit card to this, and this will actually allow us to see our balance located right here. The other one was just what we were spending. So you can see it, $25. I'm good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.